Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Solana video update for Sunday 21 of August. And the market is looking crazy. Everything is looking bad all of a sudden. But Solana, the way Solana is looking, it's looking super bad right now. So let me dive into the weekly time frame, and this is the highlight of the video because what Solana did on a weekly time frame is did nothing more than make a bear flag. And ladies and gentlemen, that's a very clear bear flag. I cannot even stress how perfect bear flag this looks. Okay, it's the most perfect bear flag you can even ever look at on a trading chart. Okay, so let's actually talk about the bear flag on Google, and this is how they look like. If you go to the channel again, and yep, so when the prices are moving down and down and they make some sort of a flag here, that's exactly what you have. Just look at that. Look at how perfectly that looks like. Boom, 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 boom. The flag, the break to the downside. Unfortunately, Solana is looking to come down to down for 74%. And that's a huge discount. I'm looking to buy Solana if it does come down to $8.8, $8.7, something like that. So that's pretty much it for this quick update on Solana at the moment. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.